People will say, well, look at Saudi Arabia, look at Afghanistan. So in Saudi Arabia, women can't drive. There is nothing in Islam that says that women can't drive, right? And so, well, we can't.
There wasn't a lot about the cars in the Quran.
Yeah, not really. You know, they didn't used to. But the idea that we should be held accountable for every country that portrays itself to be a Muslim country, and that is the representation of what Muhammad, peace be upon him, what his governorship looked like 1400 years ago. That's just ridiculous.
Yeah.
Iran claims to be an Islamic republic as well, so why don't Saudi Arabia and Iran get along if that's the case, if they're both Islamic states and republics and so on and so forth? They are interpretations, they are obviously rigid, and there are things there that, some things that would be in accordance with the Quran and with the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, and some that wouldn't, but that's certainly not the representation. There is no modern day representation of what the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, what his state would have looked like, what Medina looked like 1400 years ago.
It's very easy for a politician to give a 10-word answer that is somehow appealing to a large group of people. And then it's, oh yeah, I've heard a thing or two about Saudi Arabia. You know, people can easily latch on to that.